The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas, until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:07 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near DeBerry to near Greenwood, or along the line from 14 miles northeast of Carthage to 10 miles west of Shreveport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Bossier City, Greenwood, Wascom, Stonewall, DeBerry, Fosters, Eastwood, Keachie, Spring Ridge, Keithville, Cross Lake, Kickapoo, Forbing, Keepkai, Gloucester, Reed's Store, Frierson, Robson, and Midyat. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday for portions of northwest Louisiana and northeast Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, and DeSoto, and the following counties in Texas: Harrison and Panola.